So what is robotic process automation? Robotic process automation isn't like regular robots you see with arms and legs that might walk or drones. It's basically computer software that's able to be coded easily to help solve business problems where, say, two systems don't talk to each other, or there's a process that you do in Microsoft Excel, as an example, or throughout other programs that is relatively mundane and non-value added. You can train a robot to do it, way back in the day, the first things that were similar to this were like macros on your computer. We can essentially have a robot do your work for you on simple tasks. So freeing you up for more strategic initiatives. So in procurement and finance, robotic process automation is big time. It adds value and differentiates you from your competitors, allows you to grow and scale at quite an alarming rate, and allows the people who are doing the day-to-day mundane work today that will be changed by the robots to focus on more strategic initiatives. Specifically with MRO, that would enable our buyers who have all of this knowledge to go out and focus on more strategic partnerships, purchases, being able to, again, focus on things that will directly impact the client instead of pushing forward on a rec and APX. These are things that will bring much more value to SDI as an organization and therefore our clients, which is what it's all about.
Welcome to Circuit Boost. In today's session, we're diving into how robotic process automation is making waves in supply chain management, especially in the retail, pharmaceutical, and manufacturing industries. These sectors face dynamic challenges, from customer demands to regulatory compliance, and RPA is proving to be a powerful tool in streamlining operations, reducing costs, and accelerating supply chain response. Supply chains are complex systems involving inventory, logistics, suppliers, and customer delivery. With increasing global competition, businesses are under pressure to cut costs while improving speed and accuracy. RPA addresses these issues by automating rules-based processes like order tracking, invoice processing, and demand forecasting. This creates more time for strategic work, improves service levels, and enhances compliance. Whether it's handling thousands of SKUs or matching invoices with POs, bots can do it all, faster and error-free. Retail operates on razor-thin margins. Delayed stock, inventory mismatches, or customer dissatisfaction can hurt the bottom line. Leading retailers like Walmart and Amazon have implemented RPA for stock monitoring, automatic reordering, and delivery notifications. Bots analyze customer buying patterns and help forecast demand for upcoming weeks. Additionally, they update customers with real-time shipment statuses, reducing call center burden. RPA ensures that the right product is in the right store at the right time, with minimal manual effort. Pharmaceutical supply chains are highly regulated and complex. From managing cold chain logistics to tracking serial numbers on drugs, the pharma industry cannot afford human error. Companies like Pfizer and Novartis use RPA for validating compliance documents, managing QA logs, and ensuring each batch of medicine is traceable. Bots also help coordinate clinical trial supplies by monitoring drug levels across trial locations. When safety and compliance are non-negotiable, RPA is a game-changer for operational precision and speed. Manufacturing thrives on just-in-time operations. A delay in raw material or a missed maintenance window can stall production. RPA is used extensively for automating order placements, tracking supplier deliveries, and alerting maintenance teams. Bosch, for instance, uses bots to manage their entire supply planning, matching invoices with delivery notes, tracking orders, and flagging delays automatically. It's like having a digital logistics coordinator who never sleeps, ensuring every assembly line has what it needs, exactly when it needs it. Across industries, the benefits of RPA in supply chain are crystal clear. It boosts speed and efficiency, reduces dependency on human labor, and helps navigate disruptions like COVID-19 or geopolitical issues with agility. It also improves compliance and data traceability, critical for pharma and manufacturing. With accurate and faster data processing, Businesses make better decisions, delight customers, and cut down unnecessary costs. The era of reactive supply chains is over. RPA is making them proactive. In conclusion, RPA is rapidly transforming the supply chain landscape. Retail, pharma, and manufacturing are just the beginning. As the technology matures, more industries are jumping on board. If you're aspiring to join this transformation, start by identifying pain points in your processes and evaluating RPA tools like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Power Automate. Start small and scale fast. The future of supply chain is intelligent, digital, and automated.